Hi, I'm Justin with New Source Network, and today I want to do a walkthrough of a restoration box truck that we sold a customer. Oftentimes you see our trucks staged from us to put pictures on for advertising or anything else. Today I want to show you one real world that's been in use for over a year now. So as you'll see, as we advertise a lot, you got bins for all your tools, so they always have what they need. These customers took the extra step to make sure to label each one. They got their extension cords, their filters, so that when they show up to the job, they've always got what they need and they know where it's at, more importantly. Everything's organized where it should. Every compartment is for a different part of the job, whether it's mold or water or demo. Mold cabinet here. If you walk through here, you'll see that they've got all their air movers, dehues on the floor, extractors, HEPA vacuums, ladders, and this is laid out to exactly how they need it. Come around here to this side. This particular customer uses portable extractors, but if they wanted to use a truck mount extractor, they would have it here and you got access to it with these double doors. Again, this truck's been in use for over a year, and I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw one in use, set up how a restoration contractor would like it. If you want more information on your truck, make sure to call one of us today or stop into your nearest NSN dealer.